Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a super useful feature that's been added to the WhatsApp PC app. If you've ever felt overwhelmed by the number of chats cluttering your screen, this video is for you. We're going to show you how to archive all your chats with just one click, keeping your WhatsApp organized and tidy. Let's jump right in and walk through the process, step by step. First, open up your WhatsApp application on your PC. Once it's loaded, take a look at the left side of the screen. You'll see a menu there. That's where we're heading next. In this left side menu, you'll find the Settings option. Go ahead and click on that. A new window will pop up with various settings categories. We're interested in the Chats section, so let's click on that next. Now here's where the magic happens. In the Chat settings, you'll notice a new option that says Archive All Chats. This is the one-click solution we've been waiting for. Click on this button, and WhatsApp will ask you to confirm your action. Don't worry, archiving doesn't delete your chats, it just tucks them away neatly. After you confirm, watch as all your chats disappear from the main screen. They're not gone, just neatly filed away in your archive. You can always access them later if you need to. This feature is a game changer for those of us who like to keep our digital spaces neat and organized. It's perfect for clearing out old conversations, decluttering your chat list, or just giving yourself a fresh start. Remember, if you ever want to bring a chat back to your main screen, you can always unarchive it. Your archived chats are just a click away, stored safely and out of sight until you need them. That's all there is to it. In just a few clicks, you've mastered the art of mass archiving on WhatsApp PC. We hope this tip helps you keep your digital life a little more organized. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tech tips.